Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to import data on Excel using a Mac. At the beginning of this course you were given a text file called import data, and that's what we will be using here. So they told us they want this done in cell 09. So let's start by going to cell 09. We will go to File, Import. In this case it's a text file, so we'll go to Import. And I have it saved in my Documents folder, so I'm just going to choose it, hit Get Data, click Next, and click Finish. Now it's asking, where do we want this? So we told it we already want it to be a table, but we want it on our existing worksheet in cell 09. So let's say you did not choose 09 to start with. You can click this little arrow and just choose the cell. Or you can put it on a new sheet, but they told us they want it on the existing sheet. Go ahead and click import. And there you go. You just imported your data.